Hey there friends, it's Steph from Squishy & Co. And today we're going to learn the Trinity stitch. This is a surprisingly simple stitch for the amount of texture that you get out of it. It's also reversible, which I always love. And it looks really similar to the star stitch, but it's much simpler. So this is a great alternative if you have been frustrated by the star stitch. You can use any yarn and hook you'd like, but today I'm working with a worsted weight cotton yarn and an eye hook. So to get started, you will need to chain an even number of stitches, and I'm going to begin with a chain of 20. Here we have our chain of 20, and we're going to begin by single crocheting into the second chain from the hook. And now we're going to work a single crochet 3 together by working into the same chain we just worked into and the following 2 chains. So to do that, again, insert your hook in that same stitch we've already worked into, draw up a loop, insert your hook into the next chain and draw up a loop, and insert your hook into the following chain and draw up a loop. So you should now have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, and draw through all 4 loops. And that is your single crochet 3 together. Next, we're going to chain 1 fairly loosely. We're going to have to work into this stitch later, so you want to make sure it doesn't get too tight. Now we're going to single crochet 3 together again. Again, we're starting in the chain that we've already worked into and the following 2. So insert your hook into the next and into the next. Yarn over, draw through all 4 loops, and again loosely chain 1. So we're going to continue this all the way to the end of the row, and I will meet you there to show you how to finish it off. Okay, here I am at the end. I'm on my last single crochet 3 together. And your last stitch should land in the very last chain. We're going to draw through all 4 loops and do not chain 1 here. Instead, we're going to single crochet into that last chain again. And there is your first row. For row 2, chain 1, turn your work. We're going to start with a single crochet in that very first stitch. And then we're going to start repeating our single crochet 3 together and chain 1. So to do this, we're going to be working again into the stitch that we've already worked in, into the top of the next stitch, and into our chain space. So insert your hook, draw up a loop into the top of the next stitch and into your chain space. 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, draw through all 4, and again loosely chain 1. Again into the same stitch that we've already worked into the top of the next stitch, and into our chain. And that is your repeat. So we're going to do this all the way across to the end of the row, and I'll meet you there to show you one more time how to finish it off. Here we are again at the end. I'm going to work my last single crochet 3 together. And just like before, we won't chain 1. We'll just work a single crochet into that last stitch. You'll only ever work your chains in between the single crochet 3 together. And that's it. So you're just going to repeat row 2 until your piece gets to the desired length. If you're interested in reading the blog post and seeing other tutorials, you can find it on my website at squishyandco.com. And I would love for you to leave me a comment and let me know what you made. As always, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.